Where do you usually get your clients aside from referrals? Hi there, I'm Anthony, your web design and funnels expert and founder of Website Academy PH. Referrals are great. Most of my clients actually doon ang gagaling. But when you're starting out or nag-i-scale ka na, you can't rely on them alone. Aside from referrals, most of my clients came from visibility and conversations. Hindi yun swerte. I didn't wait for clients to find me. I made it easy for them to see what I do and I start a conversation. Here are a few places where clients usually come from. Number one, content platforms. Posting helpful content on Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, or IG builds trust before the first message. Number two, communities and yung mga groups. Hindi mo kailangan mag-spam, just answering questions and being visible consistently. Number three, yung mga freelance marketplaces. Alam naman natin to, mga Upwork, online jobs, ayan. Number four, past connections. Proximity to, like your old contacts, classmates, yung mga former colleagues mo who already trust you. The key here is not the platform. It's clarity, consistency, and conversations. If you want more beginner-friendly tips on getting clients without relying on referrals, like and follow for more. See you in the next video.